I think this is the old station, Willderness station.
So today is a special day for Graham. He's now, Graham, how old are you?
I can't remember.
I'll tell you. You've caught up to me.
It took me 8 months to catch up to you. And it just takes you 4 months just to get past me.
I've got a younger man here.
I'm 4 months younger than Cindy.
And we both? 67. We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch our video of us traveling full time through South Africa.
Stop.
We visit little off the beaten track towns along the way,
I've got to climb up there.
places that we would never have gone to before.
The first stop on my birthday trip was the old Willderness choo-choo station, and what a sight that was. Okay, so here's my sofa
Oh,
on the gears, and she's a chauffeur.
I'm Graham's chauffeur. It's his birthday today, so I'm his chauffeur.
Okay, one day when we're big,
Yeah.
keep our eyes on the road. We're going up hills, down
Up a
hills, through the mountains here. Just,
Where are we going? Tell them where we're going.
we're going to see the map of Africa. How about that? The map of Africa. We're going to go and view it from the above.
And it's above Willderness.
Above Willderness. Anyway, we're on our way. We'll come back now. So we stay in South Africa down there. Ah, there. Look what my son's doing in the garage again. Okay. Hi.
Okay.
Hello there.
On your birthday, where are you?
I'm in Africa. Eh? I'm at the map of Africa.
I do remember it being a bit different when I looked down like 35, 40 years ago. I think it's the vegetation that's taken that look away of Africa.
Yes, I think it has too.
Yeah.
All the vegetation, even on top everywhere, you don't get definition anymore. Cape Town down there.
Yeah.
But there's a lady assistant here that you asked the question. What did you ask her?
I want you to know that bridge, you can't get off that bridge down the bottom. And they're fixing it now, so you can't get off to that bridge. You can't get off there.
Hello.
No.
I don't know whether it's very hot.
Yeah.
Now this whole Africa you see in the middle, if you look on top left, can you see there's a green field? What is it up there?
Yes, yeah.
Now the whole Africa is 430 hectares, it's privately owned.
Oh.
Belongs to that guy on that green field. Can do nothing with it.
Yeah.
Stays a restricted area, but he can say Africa and the crocodile belongs to him.
Okay.
Wow.
And then at the back, and you remember Hansik Ronier?
Yes.
Yes.
He died in those Otanikwa Mountains.
Oh, yes, when the plane hit. Yeah.
We then took a wonderful walk about 200 meters or so up the hill, and we saw this magnificent view. Amazing.
The view of the ocean. Look at this vast ocean. And then we have the birthday man. Hello.
Hello there. What is your birthday?
Wow. Oh yeah. View from the top of Willderness at the paragliding place. And this is, you can see right down the coast, Willderness at the bottom here. The river that runs through Willderness right to Sedgefield. There's a point there, I don't know if that's Sedgefield.
Hey Cindy, where are you?
Hello, Graham.
Hey, what you doing here?
I want to go to a boardwalk in Willderness.
Oh, the boardwalk.
On Graham's birthday.
Okay, so this is the boardwalk here. The beginning. In the beginning. Ah, it's a nice boardwalk. Yay! Let's go! Carries on for a long way. Hey, yeah. Oh, jeez,
road and it goes that way to the beach.
That way to the beach and this way? Lemon. Okay.
But I'll tell you, St. Lucia,
Yeah?
we walk on little walk.
Okay.
Over the stairs. And the hippos can come over.
Okay.
Oh, here you are. Yeah.
Nice and dark here, it's all shaded over. Beautiful. Oh, there's a tree right over, so I've got to now duck and turn. Your way. So here's more of the bridge. There's two bridges, a car bridge behind. The one in front is actually the train bridge. And there's a lot of the river over here. You can carry on that road without cars interfering. And this is the Tow River. You can see it's a wide river. Both sides. Like islands of reeds in it. Sure. Goes on forever and ever. This bridge must be about 150 meters long. I hope I'm talking loud enough here. But you can see how they made these things. They're solid rivets, bashed hard together. Look at this piece of join here.
So we were in a flood on this river many years ago, and this whole river flooded right up, far up. We had to go to the office.
I remember that.
We were pulled out of chalets first. We had to put our tent down and move our boat and everything up. Then we went to the office. We were called out of our chalets just for the night. This whole valley was flooded. It was the most scary thing I've ever been through. When we got out of the chalets, we were up to our knees in water and had to go to the office. Very scary.
Okay, if we look now at that depth that you're talking about.
You know how high it is?
Yes, right here now, it's almost about 10 meters down. And look where at the beach there, you can see
the office is on a hill.
And there's a little building over there. That's
not the office.
That's an ablution block there.
Yeah.
That was filled up. Went further than that up. That's
Very
amazing.
Scary.
Anyway, what a wonderful memories.
Yeah. So it's a trail down there.
Trail down there. Let's
Yeah.
just have a look. Oops. This is the ticket office here. So that's the trail going down there. We're not going to go on now. It's very far and long. Okay.
So we're here, and this trail goes here. You go over pontoon crossing. It looks like a loop here, and then you go all the way up to the waterfall. When we came here for our holidays, here to the caravan park, we used to take a canoe, our own canoe we brought down, and we used to go like this. And we didn't go all the way up. We went to where there were rocks. I can't remember. Yes, canoe stop and river crossing. So we sort of went there, and there's turtles that you see in the river. It's quite beautiful.
Okay, so we are actually here.
Yeah, and there's Hookful
There.
at the top of the mountain.
Yeah, that's the pool there.
Okay.
Oh, we
Hookful.
yeah,
so we're
there.
here, and there's Hookful there.
Oh, cool.
And this.
Here we have two bridges. The top one is the motorway, and the bottom one is the choo-choo railroad that was going through Willderness, going to Willderness station on the right hand side. Here is a view from the top to see the station down below, and we're going to go and have a look where it is. You'll see the station that we started the video off with. There it is. Wonderful little video of a nice memory. So we're going to show you now the Sedgefield Dam Lake, and there'll be a bridge on the left the train used to use, and on the right we're on a bridge here. So if you look to your left, you'll see there's a little bridge over there, and a railway bridge, and that's where the choo-choo used to go. And there it is, there, right there in the left, and we would always ride on the rail. So here we have the end of the rail, and the video's finished. This was a little short one on the choo-choo railway, which was from George to Neisner.
Actually, the other way.
Just doesn't matter either way.
Okay.
Just a little bit of info. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends. Thank you very much, everybody, and we look forward to seeing our little channel grow as you look out to make it big. Thank you.
Bye.
From Cindy and Graham.
And it was your birthday one.